Hi there everyone. I'm making a video today on how to make a customized nasal spray. We use this nasal spray when you have MARCONs or you have fungus in your sinuses. Sometimes we use it in place of bag spray, which is a prescription compounded spray. The benefit of this is it's more affordable and you can make it at home. And sometimes it works a little better on the biofilms that we see existing in people's sinuses after they've been exposed to mold or water damaged buildings. Okay, so let's get started. First, you need to order the ACS Silver. It's also called ACS 200. This is in full script. And you want the one that has the nasal spray at the top. You don't want to order the one that sprays in your mouth because then you won't have a container. This is the bottle we are going to use to add everything else to. So when the bottle comes, you can open it and see how full it is. This one's actually not filled to the brim, so I'm not going to dump any out. I'm just going to leave it like this, and I'm going to put the box aside. Then you also need the Biocidin Advanced formula. It's actually now called Broad Spectrum Liquid Formula in full script. It is also called Advanced Formula, but it's basically the really thick, gooey liquid, and it comes with a dropper, and so you're going to check and just make sure you've got the dropper and not the spray. It's pretty thick. So we're going to use 10 drops of the Biocidin to start. If you are someone who's been using Biocidin in your neti pot already and you use a full dropper, then you can start with a higher dose. But the one I'm going to make today, we're just going to do the smallest dose, which is the starting dose. Then you also need to grab some povidone iodine. You can grab this at Walgreens or Walmart or CVS or Target. This is a 10% povidone iodine. We're going to use 10 drops of this as well. So today I already washed my hands. I'm just going to open the nasal spray bottle. Again, this is the silver. I'm going to set the top aside, and I'm going to start with the Biocidin and just count 10 drops. Again, this is for the starting dose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. We got 10 full drops of the Biocidin. We're going to set that aside. And now we're going to do 10 drops of the povidone iodine. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. This one can be a little messy. We're going to set that aside. All right. Now you've got your nasal spray. It's as simple as that. I'm going to mix it maybe 20 times. And then you also want to prime it. So after you've mixed it, stand over the sink and prime the nozzle just by spraying about 5 times until you get the darker liquid coming out. Please know that the iodine and the Biocidin that are now in this will stain your clothing. So if it spills, spot it right away. You're going to use 2 sprays on each side, morning and evening. So 2 sprays on the right, 2 sprays on the left, brush your teeth, get ready for work. And then at bedtime, 2 sprays on the right, 2 sprays on the left, brush your teeth. I usually tell people just leave this by your toothbrush. And we're going to use this for 60 days. This bottle should last for 60 days. One final thing to note is you want to clean the tip with an alcohol swab so that no bacteria or fungus grows on the tip. So try to clean the tip with an alcohol swab after each use to keep it clean. That's it.